नमस्ते दोस्तों, हम देख रहे हैं 11th स्टैंडर्ड का एनसीईआरटी में से चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट मैथमेटिक्स सेट्स, जिसका एक्सरसाइज नंबर चल रहा है हमारा 1.2। ओके, 1.2 में हम देखेंगे आज एग्जांपल नंबर 4, जिसमें हम देखेंगे हाउ मेनी सेट्स आर इक्वल और नॉट। इसके लिए मैं सतीश आपका स्वागत करता हूँ एसयूवी लर्निंग में। आज देखेंगे एग्जांपल नंबर 4 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 1.2। स्ट्रेटली गो ऑन योर क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट। What question says, in the following state whether A equals to B, means you have some set A and you have some set B. For this you will need to say whether set A is equal to set B or not. For this we will require the definition of a set, equal set. What is meant by equal set? Okay, that we have to define. What equal definition says? Now definition says, suppose A and B be the sets having exactly, note it down, exactly same elements. Okay, I will underline here, exactly same elements. Okay, then we say that A is equals to B. Okay, what is meant by A is equal to B? You must have exactly same elements in A and B, then you will write it as A equals to B. Okay, and if it not so, then you will write A is not equal to B. How you can define it as not equal to B? It is A equal to B if no elements are same. There you will write A is not equal to B. You can see on your screen also. Okay, this was the definition about equal sets. Now you will have to check each and every element from set A and set B, such that whether there are exactly the same elements are there or not. Okay, तो आज हम one by one एक क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे, जिसमें देखेंगे whether these sets have equal elements or not. First example, first example says A equals to ABCD. Okay, first example says A is ABCD. Okay, and what is your B? Here B is nothing but DCBA. These are elements DCBA. Okay, you need to check whether A and B has exactly same elements or not. You can check by direct trial method. Now A is there, A is in B. Also B is there, whether B is there in B or not. Yes, it is there. Now C is there in A, C is here, therefore D also there. Means A and B has exactly same elements. I have gone through all elements of A and I have coded all elements of B. Therefore I can definitely say here it as A equals to B. Okay, that was my by applying direct definition. Now next set, what will happen with the next example? We can see what next example says. A equals to 4, 8, 12, 16. That you can see on your screen. A is nothing but 4, 8, 12 and 16. Now what B is exactly? B is nothing but 8, 4, 16 and 18. 8, 4, 16 and 18. Okay, this is our example number 2. Now we will go one by one in these sets, whether all elements are same or not. Since 4 is in A, whether 4 is in B or not. Yes, 4 is there. Now 8 is in A, 8 is in B also. Now what about 12? 12 is in A, but 12 is not in B. Here you are avoiding the definition of A. Here there exists, I can say for not equal to, there exists element 12 belongs to A such that 12 does not belong to B. Means what? There exists an element which is in A but not in B. That indicates you A is not equal to B. It is enough to check at least one element for not equal to set. For equality, you need to check all elements. The definition itself says whether exactly the same elements are there in A and B or not. Means you have to check for all. Now if you got one element which is in A but not in B, that time you can say these two are not equal sets. Exactly same thing is happening here. 12 is in A, but 12 I cannot see anywhere in B. Therefore these two sets will not equal. I will not go for other elements here. You need to find some other one element that will avoid the definition of equal of set. Then you can definitely say A is not equal to B. Means A is not equal to B, looking at is too much easy as compared to equality of set. Now we will go to example number 3. Exactly what happens with example number 3. A is here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, we have got all elements of A. That are nothing but 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, this is A. And what about B? Check where, what is B? Okay, here it is X, such that X is positive even integer and X is less than equal to 10. Here they have given you a tabular form or roster form. What is it? It is nothing but X such that X is a even integer that you can see on your screen, and X is strictly less equal to 10. You can find even where it is nothing but X is positive even integers. That is important. I will repeat positive things. Since it is integer, can take negative values also. Now what are positive even integers? Are nothing but 2, 4, 6, 8 and exactly up to 10. You can have positive integer as 12, but you have one more restriction on your X as it is nothing but strictly less than equal to 10. Therefore these are exactly the elements of set B. Now check whether what happens with A and B. Similarly, here it are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. You can see 2, 4, 8, 6 and 10 are there. Therefore, you can say it as A equals to B. Okay, this shows A equals to B. You are having exactly the same elements in A and B, but it was a tabular and this is your roster form. Now the last example says what? A equals to X such that X is a multiple of 10. Okay, they have given some definition for your X A set. Now what about B? For this, you will require B is nothing but 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. This is your tabular form directly. Now, here A is nothing but X such that X is multiple of 10. Okay? It is okay, multiple of 10. It is not big deal. I can find multiple of 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, you know the table of 40. 10 and so on. It has no restriction on it. Now the set B is 10, 15, 20. B is nothing but 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Now look at here carefully. You are having 10 in A. Check whether 10 is in B or not. Yes, 10 is there. Now 20 is 20 is in B. Yes, it is there. What about 30? 30 will be there. Means what? You can have all elements of A in B. But whether they are exactly same, no, since you are having some more elements in B that are not in A, therefore you must have elements in B are nothing but 15 belongs to B. The definition is 15 belongs to B, but 15 does not belongs to A. What this indicates? The elements of B are not in A, means you will have not A not equal to B. Since there are elements in B that are not in A. Okay, let's move on to your question number 5. What question number 5 says? 5 says, are the following pair of sets equal? And you need to give reason now for your question also. What question number first says? First says A equals to 2, 3. Okay, you are having A equal to 2, 3 and B equal to X such that X is the solution of X square plus 5X plus 6 equal to 0. That you can see on your screen. Okay, now we will find the set B. Okay, A you know, okay, B is nothing but solutions of equation X square plus 5X plus 6 equal to 0. X such that X square plus 5X plus 6 is equals to 0. This is your B set. For this we will require the solution of this set equation is nothing but X square plus 5X plus 6 equal to 0. I will solve this by splitting middle term, that you know, you are clever boys. X square plus 3X plus 2X plus 6 will give you the splitting middle term. Now it will be X into X plus 3 plus 2 into X plus 3. Okay, I guess you must have known the splitting of middle term. I have splitted 5X as 3X plus 2X. Here it is nothing but X plus 3 into X plus 2. Okay, which is equals to 0. Now you know, if product of two numbers is 0, then you have x plus 3, first term equal to 0 or second term equal to 0. That will implies your x equals to minus 3 and x equals to minus 2. Okay, this is your elements. X equal to minus 3 and minus 2. These are nothing but minus 3 and minus 2. Clearly, your A was 2 and 3, but B is minus 2 and minus 3, which is not equal. Therefore, you will say set A is not equal to set B. Since your from set A, 2 is not belonging to B and 3 also not belonging to B. Conversely, B minus 3 and minus 2 also not belong to A. Therefore, these are not equal set. Okay. Now, next example, what next number says X is a letter of some word follow. Okay. We need to check what it exactly what the exactly set is. Then only we can go for the equality of these two set A and B. These are nothing but letters of some word follow and next is wolf. Okay. Therefore, I will write here A as letters of A. Okay, that you can see follow. But I will collect all those letters F, O, now L. I will not consider L again, O again. This is my set A. Why this is so? You can check the definition of set. Definition of set gives you will not repeat the elements of your set. You will consider only once the element in your set. Means the writing A equals to 3, 3 will not make any sense. It is nothing but only 3. Okay. Therefore, we will consider only one element from each once the element of set. We will not repeat the elements. This is your set A. Therefore, now what set B says? B says why is the letter in the word wolf? WOLF. Therefore, B is nothing but W. Yes. O is there. L and you can take F also. Since these are no letter is repeating here. Now check whether what happens with A and B. Here F in A, F is also in B. O is there, O in B. L is there, L is in B. W is there, W is in B. And number of elements are same. Therefore, no need of checking for B in A or not. Okay, exactly the same elements are A in A and B. Therefore, you can apply your definition of equality that will give you A equals to B. Since exactly the same elements are there in A and B. This was your question number 5. Okay, therefore A and B were equals. Okay, now if you are having any problem regarding your question number 4 and 5, don't forget to write me in our comment section. Okay, and like, comment and subscribe here.